in this we will be covering prompting for different modalities. AI is not just about answering questions, it can create amazing things too. It can write text like a short story about flying elephant, a professional email, or even a blog post about your favorite food. It can generate images like a painting of a sunset on Mars, a cartoon character, or a realistic photo of a city that doesn't exist. It can even write code, which are step by step instructions that tell computers what to do, like building a website or creating a game. But here's the key. To get the best results from AI, we need to give we need to give it the right instructions. These are called prompts. The clearer and more specific our prompts are, the better and more useful the AI's response will be. Next, prompts for text generation. Have you ever wanted AI to write something creative for you? Like this, write a short story about a cat who. Have you ever wanted AI to write something creative for you? Like this, write a short story about a cat who goes on an adventure. Or this, explain the benefits of exercise in 3 sentences. Even something like generate a 100-word blog about summers in Delhi. These are all prompts for text generation. In simple terms, we give AI a starting point or a set of instructions, and the AI uses that to create meaningful and relevant text. Example. So here's an example. To showcase prompts for text generation. Generate a 100-word blog about summers in Delhi.
So we have received this output exactly in 100 words और मैं इस पर ऐसे होवर कर दूँ.
So here's what we got from AI. And these, as we have mentioned, it's a 100-word blog. Next, we have prompts for image generation. When we want AI to create an image, we need to describe exactly what we are imagining. That means be as specific as possible with the details. For example, instead of just saying a cat, try saying a fluffy black cat sitting on a windowsill on a sunny day in a realistic style. हाँ. For example, instead of just saying a cat, try saying a fluffy black cat sitting on a windowsill on a sunny day in a realistic style. Now the AI knows what kind of cat, where it is, what the lighting is like, and what visual style to use. Here's another one. Moon and stars in the dark night sky. This gives the AI a calm, nighttime atmosphere to work with. All this, cartoon illustration of a superhero flying over a city. This tells the AI not just what to draw, but also the style, cartoon, and the action, flying over a city. So remember, the more clearly you describe your idea, the better the AI can bring it to life. So here's an example to showcase prompts for image generation. Moon and stars in the dark night sky. As we can see, AI has generated a beautiful picture of moon and stars. So as you can see, AI has generated a most beautiful picture with moon and stars in the dark night sky. Next, we have prompts for code generation. Did you know AI can also write computer code for you? All you have to do is tell it what kind of code you need and what you want that code to do. Just like giving instructions to a friend, it's important to be clear about the task. For example, write a Python code that adds two numbers. This tells the AI use Python and the goal is to perform simple addition. Or create HTML code for a button that says click me. Here we are asking for web code specifically a button with certain text. Another example, generate JavaScript code to display an alert message when a user clicks a button. This is more specific. It combines interaction, that is a click, an action, that is show an alert, and a prompting and a prom- and a programming language, that is JavaScript. So whenever you want AI to write code, just remember, clearly explain the task, mention the language or platform if needed, and describe what the code should do. The more specific your prompt, the more accurate and useful the code will be. Now let's take a look at a simple Python function that adds two numbers. Here's the code that is given by AI. In this code, as you can see, we have def add numbers a comma b. This line defines a function called add numbers. The word def is a short for define. It tells Python we are creating a new function. The part inside the parentheses a and b are called parameters. They act like containers that will hold two numbers we want to add. Next we have return statement, return a plus b. This line does the actual work. It takes the value of a and b, adds them together and using the plus sign, then returns the result. Return means the function sent back to the answer when it's called. So if we use a function like this, add numbers 5 and 7, it will return 12 and print as sum is 12. And